Hi guys, Earl here from Fanboy SEO, and today we are doing a quick unboxing for the VIVO X50. So kakapadala lang sa akin today, and we'll see kung ano laman. I will do a review for the product very soon, pero for now let's just do the unboxing muna. So ito yung box, ang ganda, medyo ano na, pero okay pa naman. Very iba yung pagkaka-package niya compared to the other phones na nilalabas ni Vivo. So let's open the box. Let's see ngayon kung ano laman niya. And actually walang ano nothing here. Just a really minimalistic design. On the side you have the Vivo logo. Other side is also the Vivo logo. So tingnan natin ngayon yung laman. Okay, here we go. So for starters, this is what it looks like. So very elegant ang dating ng kanyang packaging. Ito yung phone, and let's take it out of the box. Let's see kung anong ganap. So first thing, this is the warranty and the stickers and all the codes. We also have mamaya na yung phone. Bigay ko muna dito. So what's in the box, you also have first layer, it's just the logo, the VIVO X50, and yung lagay ng phone. Next, we also have yung jelly case niya and some manuals. Put that there. Tapos the usual packaging from Vivo, yung cable charger is here. Very nice yung pagkaka-package niya. We also have the wall charger here on one side, which is very elegantly placed. Hindi ako mawala ng usage for elegant kasi maganda talaga yung pagkaka-package, so we can't do anything about that. And this is the headphone or the earphones for the X50. So yun lang yung laman niya. Check natin yung laman nung jelly case. So again, ito may kasama siyang free as usual jelly case from Vivo, lagay ng phone. So ito yung SIM ejector nandito, and then jelly case. And then let's check the phone itself. Here we go. So maganda yung color niya. It's very I will put the actual color kasi medyo very sila so sa color, pero ito yung color. You have 1, 2, 3 4 cameras here, and then you have the LED light there, here. Harap, this is where it's really fun kasi I'll show you later. Ayun, so lowbat pala ako, so nag-charge muna ako ng phone. So ito na yung bukas na version ng VIVO X50. So makikita nyo, nog ko naman, sorry naman. Ayan. So it's very so yun nga, it's ano naman, yan, para medyo maputi-puti ako ng konti. Ring light, do your charm. So makikita mo, very naman siya, very simplistic. Tapos the icons are here. Nakabukas pala yung Bluetooth. So ito nga yung mga yung preloaded na yung phone ng mga basics na apps na kailangan natin under the Google Android system. So you got GCash, you have Lazada, you have Facebook, Spotify Lite. Okay, Spotify Lite siya. Sige. Tapos we also have the vivo.com, standard na yan for Vivo. Tapos Play Store, Music, iManager, Teams, and Google. Yung mga Google apps like YouTube, ayan, adjust. Alright, so pero ito yung pinaka highlight ng product. For Vivo, ang setup nila kasi, or ang selling point nila for the VIVO X50 is the fact na may gimbal daw yung loob ng camera nila. So how does that work? How does a gimbal work? Basically, a gimbal is a stabilizer. So ito yung mga products, or ito yung mga cameras na kahit anong shake mo, hindi nawawala yung focus on one specific thing. Yung main camera ang pinaka malaki. So if you'll notice, medyo malaki yung main camera ng VIVO X50. And that's for a reason, kasi nandun naka-house yung system na ginagamit nila for doing the whole stabilization thing. So I'll show you, for example, how it works. So ito, video muna tayo. Here it is. So yeah, kalat ng bahay ko. Mas stable yung galaw mo. Yan. Oh. Diba? Kahit paano hindi ka mahihilo eh. And you know me, kung kilala niyo ako and you follow my shiznit online, I do movies and I really hate yung mga action movies ngayon na gumaganon. So if it also translate dun sa ginagawa ko mga videos na ginagawa ko, I try to be as stable as possible kahit na medyo pasmado ako, and I admit that, pero at the same time ayoko rin yung gusto ko as much as possible yung content na ginagawa ko medyo hindi naman nahihilo yung mga ano ko, which lagi sinasabi ng wife ko na parang nakakahilo ko na naman mag video. Pero again, the point is, if I had this kind of phone, I would have probably been shooting a lot or creating a lot more content na mas pino yung galaw mo. And this is what makes me excited to review and try out the VIVO X50. So thank you for watching. Medyo weird tong version ng unboxing video ko ngayon, pero I really hope nag-enjoy kayo. And I really hope that you get the VIVO X50. It's out in the market now. And it's not too late kasi ito yung medyo high-end phone ni VIVO, and I really like this. I'm gonna try this, and I'm going to push for a review as soon as possible. But anyway, thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead of you guys. Okay? Bye!